The nose is a very sensitive part of a human body. A deviated septum can cause a visible change in the shape of the nose and also cause difficulty in breathing. A different looking nose can often make people feel conscious in public and left out. So, what should a person do in such a situation? Is there a medical procedure that can help rebuild the confidence of such people? The answer is yes, and you'll find the solution at Dr. Rajat's clinic.
So, rhinoplasty is a gamut of procedures done either to correct functional problem or also to correct cosmetic problem. Like someone we saw who has a deviation in nose, they have a deviated nose, and which also causes them difficulty in breathing. Then that can be a person wanting a rhinoplasty, vis-a-vis a person who has a broad nose or a broad tip or a slightly droopy tip, or maybe a hump on the nose, or maybe a depressed nose. These all people may consider rhinoplasty for only cosmetic reasons and not for functional reasons. But all of these can consider rhinoplasty surgery. We give an incision inside the nostrils and one on the base of the nose. We open the skin cover of the nose like a cover of a book, and we do all these corrective steps, whatever are discussed and needed for that patient. As far as recovery process is concerned, after the surgery, patient has a splint on the nose, then they have nasal packs. So for nasal packs are there for first 24 hours so that the person has to breathe through mouth. After 24 hours the packs are removed, but the splint is there for 1 week. And after the splint are removed after 1 week, the patient can appreciate the result. There is no physical limitations after the next day of surgery. They are up and about and doing their activities. But there is a social limitations because the person cannot go out socially because of the splint of the nose. And that's why I tell my patients you can resume all your daily activities from next day, but socially you may be restricted and you may need to take off from your office. Other than that, it's a comfortable surgery. There used to be a time when there used to be a lot of swelling in the noses as well as surrounding areas. But nowadays what we do is an ultrasonic rhinoplasty with a piezoelectric device. What this device does is, if you have to break the bone with the hump or the osteotomies to make the nose narrower, you use this device so that there is no collateral damage to any other tissue. Earlier we used to do this with a hammer and a chisel and hammer, but now with this device the surgery is very precise and the recovery is faster and the swelling and bruising is less. A lot of people have a lot of whims and fancies about rhinoplasties, with a lot of celebs rhinoplasties gone wrong. But trust me, if done, if not overdone by a good plastic surgeon, a good center, it is a safe. The problem happens if either the patient or the surgeon wants to do an overcorrection of the deformity. Understand it's an aesthetic procedure. Do as minimum as you want so that you get an aesthetic result, and not have an overdone approach. That's where the problem comes in.
This and many other surgical and non-surgical treatments and procedures can put you on the road to a happier and more confident life. Dr. Rajat, who is one of the most trusted names in the field of cosmetic surgery, has all the answers to your problems. Book an appointment with him today.